Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Samrana Abid. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget bell icon because it's a new video comes to you guys. I'm making chicken roast with the vegetable roast today, and this is chicken, and I'm using this is the best thing I'm showing today. I'm using I always use own spices and everything, and this is I make my own spices in we grow in own farm. In Coldstream we have a farm and we grow all fresh thingy, and then I blend it and make spices and everything, and which one I'm using today. And if you guys local in Vernon or any Okanagan area or in Canada, I ship them. Just whatever you guys want, just let me know and then I ship for you guys. And I'm showing today what I'm going to put spices in there. Let's go. Bismillah. Okay, I'm going to start. Bismillah. This is chicken. I have a full tray, kind of roughly 15 to 20 piece leg piece, and I take off the skin and cut for like this. I have spices for red chili, half spoon, salt for 1 spoon, turmeric half spoon, garam masala half spoon, black pepper half, rosemary 1 and 4th spoon, dill jo dry dill 1 and 4th, dry onion 1 and 4th, and this is garlic powder, dill and dill, garlic powder, salt, and everything mixed in there. Little bit I'm putting this is in there too. I don't have a plain garlic right now because I mix all together and I sold it, and I'm going to make more when I have available. I post on my page for summer farm. And this is turmeric. I'm using all spices right here, which one I'm using my own spices, and this is I'm putting together everything in there, and also some red crushed chili, look at that one too, fresh lemon, 1 fresh lemon, and mixing all together now. Okay, dear, put together spices all, and I need to put 1 spoon for olive oil, and I did, and now I'm going to shifting on tray. Okay, Bismillah, I'm done for this one. So I put in tray for everything in there, and this is going to be an oven. And also I have onions, roughly cubes I cut, roughly chopped zucchini, and also I have the sweet potato I roughly chopped, and some whole fresh garlic I throw in there. All together, I'm not putting any extra spices in there, just whatever spices left over for the roast. I'm just doing this one covered with that. Gee, Bismillah, mashallah, very gorgeous smell, and gorgeous chicken actually they're ready, and they smell so good. My all house for chicken smelly and very tasty. Please you have to try for this ones. And also I mentioned with this is the very nice color they roasted with vegetables I put in the middle, and this is, and the happy Ramadan coming soon inshallah, and then you make for this is for your iftari, and put spices on it, just freeze the legs and the drumstick, whatever you like it, thigh or other, put in zippy bag, freeze them, and whenever iftari have a 1 hour before, and you just then bring up and then roast it. Roast, air fry, baked, whatever you like it. And I have this is a plain yogurt, and I'm putting Summer Farm dry dill in there because I like with roast for the dill yogurt. They make very good taste, and you guys try also, or optional with the ketchup or other gravy or other thing, whatever you like it, just eat that. But I love to eat with yogurt dill. Not only me, my family also, and some they like ketchup. This is, and remember me in your prayer. Please make it and share with your friends, neighbors, and everywhere. Remember me in your prayers, and God bless you everyone. Please share this video, like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget bell icon. Take care. God bless you everyone. Allah Hafiz.